If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. I'm in São Miguel Island in the Azores, and I've just arrived at Miradoro de Lagoa de Santiago. It's raining outside. I wasn't going to stay in all day, but you know, as they say, you got to risk it for the biscuit, and I've just pulled over. Let's have a look to see what is out here. So you have the pretty pink flowers there, and oh, look at that. Even though it's misty, that looks fine. It's a smaller lake anyway, but there's a bit of a viewpoint just there, a viewing platform rather. We shall go there and have a look and see if we can get it in a bit more glory. So I think this is one of those volcanic pools left over from when the island was being formed. Bit of traffic going past me, it's very light. But I am in the Seven Cities area, as it's called, or Sete Cidades. I think I pronounced that right. I'm butchering my Portuguese as usual, so forgive me for my pronunciation as per usual. Right, going to head back to the car and head on to the next location. And just before I was about to get back into the car, I've just climbed over this fence. I'm being a naughty boy because it's not allowed, because I have to show you this amazing view which has befallen me. Have a look at this. Wow, that is the Seven Cities. The first glimpse of it there through the mist. And you can actually make out the village or the town itself right in the middle of the frame, just at the top of the lake there. And the lake is sort of split into two. And on a sunny day, the unusual thing about it is that one part is coloured blue and the other is coloured green. So I've just driven down to the bottom of the hill. We were sort of somewhere way over there. And just look at this view here. Now, because the sun's not out, you can't really see the unique colours of the lake. This is a smaller part of it. And can you see that mist there just on top of those hills? Lucky enough for the mist to clear as I got back into the car. And over there, that is the way to the village. And I think the bigger part of the lake is over on that side. But we'll just have a wander to the lake shore. And there's some of those freaky ducks. One of those stalked me in Rocha de Navio 3 years ago in Madeira. And then I've seen a few of them too in Bangladesh. There's one there, the one with the red beak. Not the regular mallards and that, but just the black and white ones with the red beaks. Oh, I don't mean to scare them. Right, you know what? If I can manage it, and well, it's starting to rain, but I'll give it a break for a few moments. It's time for the flying camera. Well, but even if I don't manage it, please forgive me. So I've put a hold on the flying camera for now. It's a bit risky to fly it with this much precipitation. So I've walked along the bridge which divides the two lakes. And here is some information about it. So, Lagoa das Sete Cidades. My pronunciation is just so wrong. I just got to practice more anyway. Here's some information about it there. Read it in your own time. Hit pause. Have you done it yet? Good, let's move on. And that's a plan there. So I am there, where the red dot is. Oh, there's too much traffic going past, but that's because of, see that road there? It's like bricks and cobblestones and that. So they don't go as slow as they should do. They just simply go too fast. So that is where I'm parked. Let me show you just there. Okay, that's the smaller section of the lake. And this is the larger one there. and it just seems never ending with the mist in those mountains. And there's a cute white boathouse from the looks of things, or maybe someone's house to the left. Wonder if it's available for rent. That'd be a cool place to have for summer. So I'm now right inside of Sete Cities. There's my car parked there, the silver one. And I'm going to walk along here. Yes, it's a drizzle. There's quite a bit of drizzle now. That's why I haven't had a chance to launch a flying camera yet. I'm going to show you the blue lake. And it does not look blue at all under these conditions. Try as I might, but there's a lot of lush green foliage around me, lovely scenery. The birds are singing, even though it's about 12 degrees Celsius. We're in nature and there's no wind or anything like that. Just gorgeous views in front of me. So just have a look at that. That looks like an island or something in the middle. I wonder if it is or not, but I'll have to check the map anyway, get a closer look. And a few ducks on the side there, rain bathing, because there's no sun. I was hoping for a bit. There was a bit of sun peeping in and out in Ponta Delgada, right on the southwest coast where I'm staying. And we're nearly at the lakeside edge. So just keep walking a bit longer. And down below it looks a bit marshy, waterlogged, so I don't want to go too far in. Gotta watch myself, I don't want my shoes to be absolutely soaked. And upon closer examination, that isn't an island, it's just part of the village sticking out with a clump of vegetation on it. But just wow at this, all the mist sweeping over the lake and the hills up yonder. It's still drizzling out there, so I've come for a bit of shelter in São Nicolau. I think that's the name of the place. Is that right, Alonso? São Nicolau? He sat over there because I want this room for vlogging. So I will show you the items on the menu here for this evening. It's a potato dish there. I've never seen this before. I think it's baked or roasted with some pepper flavor in it. And I, for the life of me, have forgotten the name of it, even though the gentleman serving me told me. And that's a quichera de maracuja, a local dessert, and it's made from passion fruit. And that's the pastiche de bacalhau. That's full of codfish, which you may have seen me have before. Better try this out for you. Now, first, the potato. So have a closer look. Right there. It's a little bit salty as well. Oh, a tiny bit of a chili hit in it as well. That's pleasant enough. And it's 50 cents, as I said before. Oh, and also there's a meia de leite there, which is the equivalent of a Madeira and Chinesa. All this came to $5.90, great value. I'll try the codfish cake. That is just how I expected it to taste. This is good, excellent. And now finally, I would call it a cheese tart in effect, with passion fruit. There, you can see the 2 dots left over from the passion fruit. That's the other part of it. That is soft and jelly-like, almost. Not overly sweet, but it is delicious. Right, you can leave me in peace now. Farol da Ferraria, that's where I'm at. So I thought I'd take a closer look at it. And we are approaching sunset, which is about 35 minutes away. And thank goodness the rain has finally stopped. It's given me a break. Now hopefully this is it for the rest of the evening. And then I can get the flying camera up for you finally. But have a look at the view in front of me there. Apart from the dirt field, is this as far as we can go on this part? But as you can see, there's the pre-sunset glow in the distance. There's the lighthouse there in all its splendor. And we shall go around the other side and see what we can see. No, from the looks of things, it just looks like private housing, and beware of the dog signs. And it looks like a tunnel right there leading down below. So what I'll do, I guess it's time for the flying camera. Oh, I got to rush quick to get the flying camera out because just look at that sunset there. These bloody Clios, they don't have a handle on the outside, so you have to do it from the inside. So I just grabbed the drone there. I didn't pack it away from the last lighthouse location, so just get it here. But just have a look at that. Isn't that amazing all the way out there? Hope you enjoyed that drone flight then. I've just done a YouTube live, so those of you who join me for that, you will know the context of this. But I'm saving the best for this section, for the pre-recorded vlog, for this one anyway. So that was the phone I used for the YouTube live. And this is me here in the light. It's dark there, you can't see me, so let that light shine on me. And look there, there's the sunset, or the afterglow of dusk over the sunset behind me. And this was the gear I just used then. I took a few snaps with my main camera, the Sony A7 III, which I've had since 2019. Then lockdown came and I hardly got to use it. There's my drone there, fully registered with the serial code, and my remote control for the drone and tablet, because I feel that my phone is far too small to utilize to see things on the screen properly. I'm going to take you for a walk onto the beach below. It's actually black sand, so in the dark, it may actually appear as black for a change. So here we go below, have a look at this. Just grab some of that there. Look, it's almost like dirt, but it's actual sand. Just walk across it there. I don't want to get sand in my shoes, so I'm not going to stay for longer. Oh, that glow over those islets there. I love that orange glow to it. That was amazing. It was raining for most of the day as well, so I just had to bide my time, and I had a feeling it was going to be a great sunset, and it was. And whilst I was rushing to get to this location, which is Mosteiros, on the northwest corner of São Miguel Island, I could witness it from the left side whilst driving in the car. So nothing I could do. I wanted to get here and get some shots of those rocks there. So it looks like a quaint village, this place. Not too bad a spot if you want to live there and experience the black sandiness. It's getting late now anyway. The local time, remember, I'm about an hour behind those of you in the UK and Ireland. It is 21:10 and the temperature is currently 13 Celsius. A little bit of a wind, light breeze. It's not too cold actually, it's okay. Bearable. So I'll give you one final glance at the stacks in the distance while I head back to my stuff. And Alonso's gone walkies again. Don't know where he's gone, but he should turn up, otherwise he's gonna have to walk about 30 kilometers back. Thank you very much for joining me on my excursion to the western side of São Miguel Island. I truly appreciate it. So join me for the next one, and please don't forget to like this video, comment if you want. I'd love you to. I'd love to know your opinion on it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'd love you to join me on my journey. So have a great week, and I shall catch you on the next one. Until then, bye. Okay, I've put a hold on the flying camera for now because it is raining and it's a bit risky just to fly it with this was. Farol da Ferraria. I think I pronounced that right. Farol da Ferraria. Yeah. But whilst I was rushing to get this, Okay, so thank you very much for joining me for this vlog, exploring the western side of São Miguel Island. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll take that again, cut.